Sweat, dirt, grime, and makeup can build up on your skin, clogging its pores. Nose pores can be especially visible if clogged. By keeping your nose pores clean, not only will they be less noticeable, but they'll also be less prone to acne-causing infections. Cleanse pores naturally with an oatmeal solution or an application of lemon juice. Or, use artificial means, like facial scrubs and pore strips. Cleansing pores naturally. Number 1. Use oatmeal to clean out nose pores. Combine 1 cup of oatmeal with a cup of steaming hot water. Mix the ingredients thoroughly with a utensil. When the mixture is cool to the touch, apply it to your nose for about 2 minutes. Rinse the mixture from your face with cool water. To keep the mixture on your nose, you may want to saturate a clean, lint-free cloth with it and allow the cloth to soak on your nose. Number 2. Apply lemon juice once a week. By doing so, the citric acid of the lemon will exfoliate and flush out clogs. Apply either squeezed lemon juice or a raw wedge of lemon directly to the pores of your nose. Wait for 1 to 5 minutes, depending on how sensitive your skin is, then rinse with warm water. Although this technique is great for occasional pore cleansing, you'll see the best results doing this weekly. Number 3. Apply egg whites to nose pores. Separate an egg white into a bowl. Wash your face with mild soap and warm water. Use a clean sponge or a lint-free cloth to apply the egg whites to your nose. When the whites have dried on your skin, rinse again with water and you're done. After rinsing, use a non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Number 4. Open and purify nose pores with steam. Fill a large bowl with steaming water. Drape a towel over your head and carefully position your head over the bowl. The towel will trap the steam, warming your face and cleaning your pores. Do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use caution with this method. Water and steam that are too hot can cause burns. Approach the steam slowly with your face to gauge its hotness. Add essential oils, like eucalyptus, peppermint, and tea tree oil to the water for extra cleansing power. Tea tree, especially, is great for skin susceptible to breakouts. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.